This video will discuss the process of adding, editing, and deleting groups on the web-based version of RTC Connect. Here are the timestamps of the different topics. Within RTC Connect, there are 3 levels of organization. Master groups are the highest level of organization. They are used to represent school districts, maintenance areas, or other divisions. Master groups help when trying to narrow down the selection of groups or locations in the software. You can utilize up to 9 master groups, each holding up to 99 groups. Master groups don't need to be created, they will simply become visible whenever a group is added to one. Groups are used to represent a school or any group of locations with identical flasher programming and calendar events. This is the primary level of organization for an agency within RTC Connect and what we will focus on in this video. Finally, locations are used to represent an individual time switch or device. Up to 99 locations can be placed within a single group. All locations within the same group will receive identical flasher programming. We will go over the process of adding locations in the following video. To add a group, click on Edit in the navigation panel, then click Groups. On the blue selection panel on the left side, click the plus icon. This will refresh the tab to add the group. Type in a group name that is easily distinguishable from other groups. Most agencies use school names. Since there is a search tool, most agencies also use the tier of school, like elementary or school district as well. After typing the group name, choose the master group the group will be in. Remember, master groups typically represent districts, areas, zones, or any large clusters of groups, and they help with narrowing down groups and locations to issue action commands to. After the master group number is selected, choose the group number. The lowest available group number in the selected master group will appear by default. Group notes can be added for your convenience. Some users use them as a log or an inventory check. The groups can be referenced in the future on this page or the home page. After the group has been created, click the yellow Create New Group button to finish the process. Upon refresh, you should now see the master group appear in the master group section, and in the group section, the newly created group name with the master group and group number in parentheses. Repeat this process for all the groups in your agency. Remember to use specific group names, select the correct master group and group number, and any optional notes. After you're done, you should see all of the master groups and group names on the home page. You can view group details on the home page by selecting your group from the blue selection panel. On the right side, the Group and Location Details panel will display the selected group's information. As of now, this group doesn't have any scheduling, but you can view that and any associated group notes in this way. To edit a group, return to the Edit Group page. Use the blue selection panel to select the group you need to edit and make changes to the group name, number, or notes. Once the changes have been made, click the yellow Update Group button to save the changes. Note that you can't change the master group number, so if that needs to be done, you'll need to delete the group with the wrong number and create a new group with the correct master group and group number. To delete a group, select the group you'd like to delete from the selection panel on the Edit Groups page. Then you can click the yellow Delete Group button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Confirm that the name shown is the group you'd like to delete and click OK. Upon refresh of the page, the selected group will be deleted. After all groups have been created, you can begin adding locations.